Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Now this is just going to be a quick video showing you season 8, the new season, and a few quick updates that they made to this season. Alright, so let's get into it. So season 8, as you can see, it's called Metal Mayhem. It's got about 99 days remaining. It's similar to the last one. You've got to do all these tasks, experience points, and all this. They've made a couple of changes over here. So like complete a task, that's the same. Earn 1 RLT in task wall. So they've added this one to the task list to get you even more experience. But that's going to be pretty hard to do, especially for me. As 1 RLT, I find it time consuming to do surveys or the other stuff like that. So I probably won't be hitting that every day. Of course, you can use a special thing, a special way, which is passive. You can watch videos to earn points to then redeem them on here to get 1 RLT from the task wall, and that counts as that. And I could show you right about now. If I go over here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now, some of you know, some of you don't know, but they've got Lootably here, which you view the offer, and you go on videos, and then as you see here, it's loot.tv. That's what I was looking for. Now you can sign up to these and watch videos passively in your browser while you're playing your games in here, and you'll earn points. Now this will at least the very least for this, you could do it for like an hour or something passively in the background. You just click play, it goes on and on and on, and you don't even have to do it, watch it or anything like that. If you have a second monitor, it's easier. So, and basically it just watches videos for you, and then it watches the ads, and you get like, a point, I think, or 2.5 or some amount of point that you can then redeem on here, which is really quick and easy to do the task. So it's worth it if you can't be asked to do a survey like me. And okay, let's get back into it. So as you can see, the progression is pretty much very similar. You get lots of cool things. You get season tokens, you get all that, you get all this, that. The event quests, all these are very similar. Invite your friends, but there's this new one, the open RLT case. Now this open RLT case, I'm probably not going to do it because it costs a bit too much. It costs you 5 RLT, and it's more of like a gamble. You might get 1 RLT, you might get 2 RLTs, you might get 10, but you're more than likely gonna get less for the RLT you put in. So that's kind of a cheeky one they've added in there, and I won't be doing that. Spend RLT token. Yeah, you could do this one quite easy if you wanted to. You just buy something on the market, and then you'd sell it back straight away to get your money back. You lose about 1 RLT, but if you do that twice in 1 week, you'll get your weekly quest done for spending 30 RLT, and you also get this for 2 days of the week, which could add up a fair bit. So there it is. That's about as many as I can do, and then I'm going to complete the task wall for today, and that will be all I'll be getting. So let's have a look at the miners. Okay, so the first one here is the smoking hot rod they've added with 36,300 gigahertz of power. I just say it's 36 gigahertz of power, which is going for 6 RLT right now. It's pretty good. And you got this one, which is going for 11 RLT. And then you got this nitro mine for 78, which is going for 18 RLT. You got the twin tire driller, which is going for 24 RLT. And then you've got the gear grabbler, which is going for 30 RLT, and the blaze boosted for 22 RLT. Now, I've got a theory with all these miners. As they're all to do with parts and things like that, I've got a theory that in the future, they'll add all these parts together in a crafting weekly event, and you'll be able to craft a massive car or something, which will be a really good miner. And it might be worth holding on to one of each of these. But that's just a guess on my behalf. I don't know if that's what they're going to do, but it would be pretty cool if they could add a crafting thing after this event or during this event. Okay, so the quests are pretty much the same as before. All the same. So yeah, this concludes. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. If you're new to Rollercoin, feel free to click the link in the description. You'll get 1,000 free Satoshi, which will help you on your way to getting your first miner. If you don't use my referral link, then that's no problem. Go ahead, but you won't get that 1,000 free Satoshi to help you get your first miner. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.